Hey guys, welcome to African Empower. We create content that is affordable, quick and easy, and will definitely give you the glow that you're looking for, the glow that you deserve, the glow that I know for real that is yours. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Welcome. We call our family here AfroFam. So today we are styling, honey. If you don't know, now you know. Hey. So we're styling. I just washed my hair. I'm gonna be styling my hair damp because that's what I decided to do today. So if you're about that life as well, join me, baby girl, baby boy. Okay, so guys, let me stop being playful. I know I've been away for a while now. Maybe it's like 7 days or 6. I've been studying. Your girl is writing next week. Fingers crossed. But anyways, let's get to the video. Doing a quick easy style. I just want to keep my hair together. I think my hair has been actually painful, that's why I haven't been styling, but I have knots, you guys, in case you guys are gonna see them now when I take this towel off. Don't judge, I won't judge you, so please don't judge me. But anyways, we are going to be styling today. It's a hairstyle tutorial if you're interested. And for those that said, I saw your comments, guys, that said you guys don't see the back properly. But basically, usually what I do is I will try to take as much shots as I can, right, for you guys to see. I hope this one is fun. I hope you can see everything and you enjoy. But anyways, without wasting any time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because why you must subscribe? Why you must subscribe? But anyway, so I'm gonna be taking my towel off now, and then I'm just going to be getting to the video. There's not much talking today. All I can say is get your glow, be beautiful, understand that you're awesome and unique and there's no one like you, and just rock. I'm here for a good time and a long time, you know. So all I can tell you is I'm just so in love lately with those ladies that get things done. I know I've said this before, but it's because they inspire me, and I'm one of those, by the way. Lately it's been task after task after task, and your sis has been doing it, and it's with all the strength, because we have to thank the higher power, because without it we are nothing. Okay guys, let me get to it. I'm going to be we are doing color presenting to you the cheapest braid I've ever bought. Like, this is so affordable. I think it's like $10 if I'm not mistaken, or 11 there. But I know I only just spent $60. So this is like hairstyle on a budget reloaded, because I've been plugging you guys. This is the braid. I always say glow is not about how much money you spend, but how much you feel inside, baby. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using this spray. I'm not promoting, I'm just showing you guys. I can't tell the promoter my brands who don't pay me. Like, I should be a millionaire right now for always supporting and presenting and showing you guys these brands for free. But I guess no. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys like this. If you want more, you see in the description. That's actually crazy, right? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start now. Let's go.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed.
guys, these are the 4 sections I decided to actually. Don't mind the whiteness, this is just the product I've been using, but these are the 4 lines. After doing these 4 lines, I'm gonna start sectioning now and using my edge control just to make it a bit slick. So yeah, let's get to it. These are the detangled buns.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong.
So guys, this is basically it, right? The thought behind these amaphondo yini konje amaphondo ngesilungu. The thought behind these spaghetti strips that I have in my hair, I actually don't know what to call them, but we usually call them amaphondo, ingoto, and all of that. But the reason behind doing them is because, guys, I've realized that most of the time when I do like thick braids, you'll find that my hair is poking out, and I really didn't like that. So I was like, this time around I was just like, you know what, let me actually get a strategy of doing this. So it's my first time doing this, so I find it very neat, so I hope it will come out nice. So now I'm just gonna be starting on the hair. This is the type of hair I'm using. It's already pulled out, as you guys can see. Well, I'm scared because I've never done this color for my complexion, but I believe it'll look good in anyways. If it doesn't, I'll make it because I'm not here to play. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm currently experiencing load shedding, if you guys can see the difference from the lighting. But I'm just trying by all means to get as much as I can from this, because I just want to document it, right? But anyways, I'm gonna start braiding now. I'm gonna start from the back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna save the lights and show you guys the front or show you the back. I'm just navigating through the creativeness. But to be honest with you, it's my first time trying this color on. You guys must comment on how you feel about it. I'm just willing to take risks this year. I'm even gonna try a blonde, like the blonde, like the white blonde, just because I'm young and I'm vibrant and I'm finding myself, you know. It's one of those things when you're finding yourself, you just navigate through different things and you feel that this is my fave along the way, but you have to try it so that you know. So after this, I'm gonna also do a video for my fashion. I'm gonna get clothes, so I'm gonna just do a briefly breakdown, so you can look forward to that for those that love fashion and my kind of taste. So it's very simple but put together. I haven't shown you guys most of my, I'm very versatile though. I'm very hard to tell. I'm very hard to figure out. Yeah, I believe that I'm not the easiest person to figure out, but anyways, it is what it is. But now I'm gonna start. Just wanted to show you guys. I feel like my hair length is stuck, you guys. I feel like I've been having this length for a while now, and I feel like my hair is not growing, but it's a feeling. I feel like so. As you guys can be the judge of that, but let me start on the braiding now, and we will see how it looks all around.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm really feeling this color. I have a lot of things I want to try, but for now it's a bye because I'm in pain. Oh my goodness, don't try this at home unless you're ready, child.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.